Perth's house market is on the rise, with the median price increasing 3.2% in the year so far to the end of April. Now, to find out how your suburb performed, comment below and I'll let you know. Rewa CEO Kath Hart said the preliminary median house price for April is sitting at $545,000, which is $500 below the current figure for March, but Rewa.com sales data suggests this will increase as more sales settle in the coming months. Now, Rewa data is showing increased activity in the $500,000 to $1 million price mark range, and this is contributing to that increase. Now, on the other hand, the unit market has remained relatively stable, with the median for units sitting just shy of $400,000. Now, that's $500 lower than 3 months ago and down $15,500 or 3.7% over the year. Now, the strong demand for houses is reflected in the selling time, with houses selling in a median of 14 days in April, while units are taking almost double that at 26 days. And the rental market is showing a similar trend. Now, the median weekly rent for houses has risen from $550 in March to $575 in April, a 4.5% increase over the month, and almost a 20% increase, or $95 over the year. Now, the median weekly unit rent has also been rising, but not at the same rate. It was $500 in April, unchanged from March, and $70 higher, or 16.3% higher than the same time last year. All right, let's get stuck into the details. So, CoreLogic's Perth Home Value Index increased 0.6% in April. That's 1% over the quarter, and 1.3% over the year, I should say. Along with Adelaide, Perth is the only capital to show growth over 12 months. Now, according to Rewa.com, the top performing suburbs for house price growth in April were Vic Park, up 3% to $782,500, Coodnup up 2.8% to $365,000, Eglinton up 2.7%, $475,000, Queen's Rock up 2.4% to $610,000, and Ocean Reef up 2.1% to $970,000. Now, Dawesville, Stirling, Golden Bay, Bentley and Yokine also recorded moderate growth. Now, there were 6,500 properties for sale on Rewa.com at the end of April, and this is a 7.8% decrease from March and almost 20% lower than the same time last year. Now, Rewa CEO Kath Hart said while April traditionally has less market activity due to the number of holidays during the month, the last time we saw the number of properties available for sale at this level was in June in 2010, 13 years ago. Now, while this sounds concerning, properties are still coming to the market at reasonable levels, and it is the speed of sales that is keeping that number low. So right now, sales are tracking at the same levels as new listings, which means essentially that as one property comes onto the market, another sells. Now, Rewa.com weekly data shows property listings have remained below 7,000 since the beginning of the month. Now, according to Rewa.com data, the fastest selling suburbs were Aurelia, 2 days, Coolangatta and Merriwa at 4 days, Brabham and Linwood at 5 days, Alkimos, Aveley, Heathridge, Southern River and Warnbro all at 6 days. Now, with the exception of Heathridge and Southern River, these suburbs have median house prices well below the Perth median. Now, as an example, the fastest selling Aurelia has a median sale price of $370,000, indicating buyers are seeking value out there and then acting quickly when they find it. And that's all from CEO Miss Kath Hart. Similarly, 9 of the 10 suburbs with the most sales for the month have also median house prices below the Perth median. Now, turning our attention to the Perth rental market in May. So Perth's median dwelling rent price was $550 per week in April. Now, this remains unchanged from March, but $30 higher, or 5.8% than 3 months ago, and $80 higher, or 17% higher than a year ago. Now, while the median weekly house price rent rose over the month, a higher proportion of unit leases in April compared with March has kept the overall median stable. Now, according to Rewa.com, the suburbs that saw the most growth in their median rent price in April were Wilson, up 43% to $650 a week, Cardinia up 39% to $650 a week, Beckenham up 31% to $525 a week, Mosman Park up 20% to $663 a week, and Freo up 20% to $650 a week. Now, there were just shy of 2,000 properties for rent on Rewa.com at the end of April, which is a 3% increase on March, but 20% lower than a year ago. Rental listings remain below 2,000 and have been at this level since August 2022. Now, new listings for rent are at low levels at the moment, and this will see the number of available homes, remaining low. Now, it took a median of 16 days to lease a rental during April, 2 days slower than March, but 2 days faster than a year ago. Demand is still high in the rental market, Ms. Hart said. Now, the slight increase in the time to lease a property is more a reflection of the number of public holidays and the school holidays in April rather than a lessening of demand. Now, Rewa.com data showed the suburbs recording the fastest median leasing times were Maddington at 8 days, Southern River at 9 days, Bentley was 10 days, then we had Nollamara, Nedlands, North Coogee, PR Waters and Chewett Hill all at 11 days, and Highgate and Spearwood at 12 days. Well, guys, that is all from me today. Now, please don't forget to like, comment, share this video, or follow and subscribe wherever you're seeing this. And remember, guys, have a great week. And there is only one thing in life that makes a difference. What's that? It's action. Now, thanks a lot. Bye for now.